First up, finding the area of 2D figures. If you don't need to watch the videos for this, you totally don't have to, but I want to go over it just in case if you have forgotten it. So it is here for you if you need it. So for example 1A, find the area of the circle. So right now it shows our diameter to be 14.8 meters. If our diameter is 14.8 meters, our radius is half of that. So our radius is 7.4 meters. And looking at the area formula for a circle, the area of a circle is pi r squared, which means that we are doing pi times 7.4 squared to find the area of our circle. The area of our circle comes out to be 54.76 pi. And then when you go ahead and multiply pi through, you'll get a decimal, and that is 172.03. Don't forget your units. It is meters squared, and that is the area of our circle for part A. Now we've got part B, which is our polygon. There are a couple different ways to write out the area formula that you may see in different spots if you Google the area formula for a polygon, but they all follow the same path. The area is 1/2 A, which is, in this case, from the center to the outside, so it's that long piece right there, times n times s. So the n is number of sides times the length of the side. So number of sides and then length of the side. Okay, so in this case it's going to be 1/2. The A is 6.93. That's the distance from the middle to the outside. It'll be the same on those mid pieces. 6.93 times, how many sides do we have? Well, we have 6 sides in this, and each side is 8 yards. So we basically looked at the outside and then multiplied it by how much the inside's going to be. We had to divide it by 2 because those are basically a bunch of triangles. And we are going to get, when you plug it all in together in your calculator, 166.32. This is yards squared, or if you read it into words, you could say square yards. I do not mind. All right, these 2 problems go along with homework numbers 1 and 2. So if you want to knock those out or wait till the end, homework numbers 1 and 2 go with this example.